Hello friends, today he will show how to make gun using a waste pen. Now the required things are a empty pen only with gripper, refill, rubber bands and a stapler. So let's get started. Now take a empty pen, fix a rubber band to it. We are using rubber bands to fix it. You can also use tape. We are using 3 rubber bands. Now you can see the rubber band is attached. Now take a stapler pin. Now fix the stapler to the end of the rubber band and bend it. Attach the another side of the stapler to end of a pen like this. Our gun out of waste pen is ready. Now let's test it. Now take a refill, put it into an empty pen and fix the end of the stapler to the inside the hole of refill. Now pull it and shoot. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos.